Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Loving Mongoose. A moral story: animals love their masters unconditionally. Tom and Polly lived on a farm with their daughter, Jenny. Even though Tom had many animals on his farm, Polly always kept Jenny away from the animals. She was scared that the animals might hurt her. One day, Polly had to visit her sick aunt in the town nearby. She left Jenny with Tom. But suddenly, Tom had to rush away as the king had summoned him. He left the sleeping Jenny in her crib, hoping to return soon. While Jenny was asleep, a snake tried to get into her crib. Luckily, their pet mongoose saw the snake and killed him before he reached the crib. When Tom and Polly returned, they were surprised to see a dead snake in the room and a mongoose on guard for any other snakes. Now they knew that the farm animals would never hurt Jenny.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.